Have you ever wondered why aloe vera is such a popular plant in natural medicine, especially during the summer months? This hardy succulent, with its spike-like leaves and cooling gel, has a rich history dating back thousands of years. Originating from the Arabian Peninsula, aloe vera has weaved its way into various cultures, praised for its healing properties and versatility. From skincare to nutrition, this plant is nothing short of a summer superhero. Now that we have a basic understanding of what aloe vera is, let's delve into how it's used, especially during the summer. So how exactly does aloe vera prove to be a summer essential? Well, let's dive into the details. Firstly, aloe vera is a skincare superstar, providing soothing relief for sunburn. The gel, when applied to the skin, cools down the burn, promoting faster healing and reducing the chance of peeling. It's also a fantastic moisturizer, keeping your skin hydrated during the sweltering summer months. Don't forget, it's a great after-sun care product too, helping to restore your skin's natural balance after a day in the sun. But did you know aloe vera is also a refreshing addition to your summer diet? From ice-cold smoothies to light salads, it adds a unique twist to your dishes. And let's not overlook its medicinal uses. The anti-inflammatory properties of aloe vera can provide relief from irritating insect bites and minor burns. With all these uses, it's clear why aloe vera is a summer staple. But what are the actual benefits? While we've discussed the uses of aloe vera, let's explore the science-backed health benefits of this amazing plant. Aloe vera is not just a pretty plant, it's a health powerhouse. Scientific studies have shown that the clear gel inside aloe vera leaves contains beneficial compounds that support human health. These compounds have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help soothe inflamed skin and protect it from oxidative damage. Moreover, aloe vera has been found to aid digestion and boost the immune system. It's like nature's own pharmacy in a plant. Now, let's not forget the personal experiences. Many people swear by aloe vera for not only skincare, but also as a refreshing addition to their summer drinks. Yes, you heard it right. Aloe vera is edible and has a unique, refreshing taste. Now that you know the benefits, how about some tips on how you can start using aloe vera? Ready to incorporate aloe vera into your summer routine? Here are some tips. First, caring for your aloe vera plant at home is a breeze. Ensure it receives plenty of indirect sunlight and water it sparingly. Overwatering is a common mistake. To make your own aloe vera products, slice a leaf open, scoop out the gel, and blend it until smooth. This gel can be used in skincare routines or in refreshing summer drinks. With these tips, you're well on your way to harnessing the power of aloe vera. Let's wrap things up. We've covered a lot about aloe vera today. Let's summarize. This humble plant, with its vast historical roots and versatile uses, is a summer essential. From soothing sunburns to refreshing your diet, and even to home remedies for minor burns and bug bites. The scientifically backed health benefits of aloe vera are undeniable. As we look ahead, the future of aloe vera is bright, with ongoing research promising exciting discoveries. Remember, aloe vera is more than just a plant. It's a summer essential with numerous benefits. Don't forget to subscribe and comment to share your experiences, and leave us a like if you found this video helpful. Until next time.